Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. A message for all the ulama up and down the UK. Some of you are so extreme that if someone said we make dua for the wider Deobandi community or the wider Shia community or the Wahhabi community, you would do takfir. Now you've released a statement saying you do dua for the wider Jewish community. So is this not what you refer to as sulh kulli at its best? You are very quick to divide Muslims, but now you've come together with the Jewish community after 2 years of suffering in Gaza, and you're calling for a two-state solution as if you don't know that's soft Zionism. We are anti-Zionism. We want to smash Zionism. We call for a one-state solution, which is a Palestinian state, all of Palestine. So jumping onto condemnatory statements quickly after some of you refused to even sign statements for Gaza. I personally sent statements, there was no response. And then there's silence on Gaza. And some of you are calling for Jummah speeches to support the wider Jewish community. Where are your Jummah speeches in Gaza and Palestine for the past 2 years? So this message is for all of you. Have some shame, have some ghaira in your deen, and change your stance. And if a terrorist attack happens, the terrorist is responsible, the police is responsible, the security state system is responsible, the governments are responsible. It's not on every Molvi, every time a terrorist carries out a terrorist attack, that he needs to condemn as if he's responsible. If you're not connected to the terrorist attacks, you do not need to always come out and condemn. When was the last time you saw the rabbis coming out and condemning the terrorist IDF? Similarly, many of these synagogues, they actually support the IDF. So have some shame. Wassalamu alaikum.